This is the Oecs Newslink, a roundup of major news happening across the Oecs today. In the headlines, the EU and Oecs Commission host a regional training on climate finance to strengthen finance partnerships. Dominica's geothermal power plant is on track for completion by Christmas Day. The Oecs Commission's Unleashing the Blue Economy of the Caribbean, or Ubec project, encourages the use of value chain groups among micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. The Oecs GIS training program set to strengthen geospatial expertise across the region. Welcome to the weekly edition of the Oecs Newslink. I am Jacques Kingston Compton. The European Union, or EU, in collaboration with the Oecs Commission, successfully concluded a regional workshop on climate finance. Climate finance is a public and private funding used to mitigate or adapt to the effects of climate change. The Oecs region comprises of small island developing states which are highly susceptible to the effects of extreme weather events such as hurricanes brought on by climate change. The training equipped participants with the knowledge and skills to develop concrete, investment-ready project proposals to enhance their ability to leverage European and international climate finance. Participants of the workshop spoke highly of the training in this video.
I think this workshop, for me, being a young technical officer in this field and an MBA associate, it really helped to build upon a lot of my knowledge. I mean, I've been to quite a number of climate finance workshops, but I think with this one, it was really great because it wasn't just about information sharing, it was also interactive, so we were able to actually develop skills in drafting TORs, theory of change, as well as how to go about, completing our project proposal.
The presentations over the last 3.5 days, my mind has totally shifted in terms of, my awareness of the funding mechanisms and funding opportunities that are out there for projects, for grants.
I feel empowered now going into the structured dialogue with the Green Climate Fund and hearing some of the reflections from the colleagues here.
It was very timely, very relevant because it dealt with many of the issues that we're dealing with, not only with GCF financing, but also with carbon credits. And
I think this is a step in the right direction. I don't expect this to be the last activity of its kind, and I hope that the donors will try to find the funds to provide this type of training on a more regular basis.
It was amazing, just absorbing and learning all the information from everybody who I deemed as experts in the field. So yes, I appreciate it. I appreciate the information that I have received, and I look forward to applying it.
I really want to thank all of you for being here, and it's really a pleasure to be able to mix the Oecs team with the representatives from the member states. Thank you all. Yes, thank you.
Construction of a 10-megawatt geothermal power plant in Dominica is expected to be completed by December 25, 2025. The facility seeks to use the island's volcanic potential to significantly reduce dependency on fossil fuels. Located in Lodat in the Roseau Valley in Dominica, the new power plant will provide clean and stable energy to 23,000 homes on the island. When finished, the plant will be the second in the Oecs and the first in the Caribbean Community, or CARICOM. Dominica is one of 5 member states in the Oecs GeoBuild program, which is advancing geothermal energy in the Eastern Caribbean. Supported by the Caribbean Development Bank, or CDB, the Oecs Commission is also working to build capacity in Grenada, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines to explore and develop the region's vast geothermal potential. For the full story, go to the newsroom on the Oecs website. The Oecs Commission's Unleashing the Blue Economy of the Caribbean, or Ubec initiative encourages micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs, to collaborate as part of value chain groups. This next video explains the importance of value chain groups in the blue economy in the region. OECS Commission officially launched its inaugural OECS Online Geographical Information Systems, or GIS, learning course in February. The course is designed to improve the region's capacity in data-making decisions across various sectors. Geographic data can be used in mapping, urban planning, disaster response, resource management, business strategy, and scientific research. The program used hands-on training and real-world applications to use geographic data in their professions and government agencies. For the full story, go to the newsroom of the OECS website. Thanks for joining us for the OECS Newslink. Don't forget to follow these stories on OECS social media and our website, oecs.int.